In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the phone number compulsory during checkout in Shopify, a useful feature that can help ensure better communication with your customers and enhance the overall shopping experience. If you're running an online store, having access to your customers' phone numbers can be crucial for resolving shipping queries or for any direct communication necessary for order delivery. So, let's dive right in and get started with making this adjustment in Shopify. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel, and if you're on the home page, that's great. You'll be starting from the right place. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this can help you locate key settings more easily in the future. Next, look for the Settings option in the bottom left corner of your screen. This section is where most of your Shopify store's configuration options live, allowing you to tweak various aspects of your site. Clicking on Settings will open up a list of additional options to manage different parts of your store. Once you're in the Settings menu, your next step is to click on Checkout. The Checkout section contains all the options you need to customize the checkout experience for your customers. Take a closer look here. This is where you can make significant adjustments to tailor the experience according to your specific business needs. Now, within the checkout settings, focus your attention on the option labeled Shipping Address Phone Number. This is the feature we need to modify to ensure that customers provide their phone numbers during checkout. The phone number at checkout can be critical for logistics and order fulfillment processes, so it's important to set it correctly. In the Shipping Address Phone Number section, you'll see a couple of choices. Your task here is to select the option that says Required. By doing so, you're making it mandatory for customers to input a phone number before they can complete a purchase. This step is vital to ensure seamless order communication and follow-up. Finally, after you've made this change, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking on Save is crucial because it guarantees that all your changes are applied and will be live on your store. Without saving, the adjustments won't take effect, and we want to avoid having to redo the process. That's it! You've successfully configured your Shopify store to make the phone number a required field during checkout. This easy but significant change can greatly improve your interaction with customers and potentially streamline your sales process. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial enhances your Shopify store's capabilities.